Well, good afternoon. My name is Derek Maines, and today I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of the GreenNurture platform. GreenNurture is an enterprise platform that is used for companies that are looking to incorporate sustainability as a part of the conversation that happens inside their company every day. These conversations can be used to encourage people to take specific action around sustainability, or it could be just to build a conversation around sustainability or anything else in your company. The application works via the tiles that you see before you. I'm going to switch between two different applications here. One is a live deployment of a customer. I'll show you a few things in there that have some user activity. And the other one is sort of a demo account that I use to show some of the other features and functions. So as you can see, when you log into the application, you are met with a number of different options. Those can be organized in any way you'd like. They can be sized in any way you like. They can be customized in any way you like. If you don't want certain things to show up, maybe for instance, your company doesn't care about using a calendar feature that allows you to post any events or things that are happening inside your internal community. That's okay. That's fine. We can take that out for you completely. Every time that your employees interact with the system, maybe they watch a video or they take very specific actions that you plug in each week. Maybe you want them to turn off lights or unplug certain things. As they take those actions, those are accumulated into a leaderboard. There's a point system and a badge system that works to allow you to see who are the top performers in the conversation inside your organization. One of the most commonly used modules that we have is the conversation module. This is just allows conversation to happen around things that are important to you and your organization. Could just be conversation, like a sort of a chat client, or it could be very specific information that has to do with sustainability or ideas and ideation inside your company. These can be sorted, of course. They can be grouped. And they even can be exported for further review, in the past to look back and see sort of what happened. The system has a number of different functions. Again, you can use whichever ones you like. You can create contests. You can create scorecards. Scorecards allow you, this is one for a multiple location business that's set up here. If they wanted to do any sort of energy audits or water audits, anything like that, they could use these scorecards to allow the employees to see how their facility is performing against other facilities inside their organization. Articles can be posted by you, or they can be pulled in via the RSS feed. You can pull those in from other third-party sites if you like, and people can have conversations around those as well. You can see who's having those conversations and what those conversations are. Oh, I just hit the wrong button here. But yeah, so you can see how all of those functions work. Again, you also have videos. In this instance, this is a live client. They actually are producing videos in some instances or republishing videos, looks like here from the EPA. So they are having conversations internally about these things. They're posting videos, sharing them. You can add all of those things right from the front end of the system. Some of the other features you might see here are things like announcements, and of course that is exactly what you expect it would be. An organizer can come in and can actually place announcements in the system and notify everybody inside the organization of what's happening. One of the other features, we can set goals. Let's say, for instance, maybe you set a very specific goal for your organization, and then as people pledge to contribute to that goal, that would be displayed here on the front page. And that's what we call a pledge or a commitment, where somebody's actually saying, doesn't look like there's one set up for this customer, but somebody's actually saying, hey, this month let's pledge to reduce our waste by 10%, and then you can see how you're tracking to that. So all of those features and functions are here on the back end. You have the ability to administrate any of those things. You have a full reporting platform. You have the ability to manage whatever you like, and you can see this is something, you can see how many people are interacting for a certain period of time. You also can go by location. We can set this up however you like. You'll notice this I have, I want. I didn't show you that in here because it doesn't look like there's anything active in this organization. Let me show you what I have, I want is. I have, I want is essentially an internal Craigslist for your organization. People that have something can post it. People that want something can post it. and then the system will match those two up together. So let's say you have a multi-location company that has 15 or 20 offices, and I have a bunch of office chairs in my office that we currently have in storage, and you're looking for a bunch of office chairs. If we both post in the system, we can be matched to each other. It's like Match.com or Plenty of Fish for items, so that you don't have to go and buy those items and do those things, but you are matched up with other people inside the organization that potentially could use those. So that could be huge cost savings, could be very, very beneficial from a sustainability as well as from a cost perspective. So that's really it. That's the whole of what GreenNurture is and does. If you have any questions, please reach me at Derrick, DERRICK, at GreenNurture.com, and I can give you a much deeper presentation on what we do here at GreenNurture, and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.